Good morning, everyone. LightningESL.com. Look, today's letter is G. G, 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 G. Where do we use G? Well, think of the word G. Gee whiz. Galvanize. Go. Yeah, gout. Give. You should always give more than you receive. Give, give, give. Go, go, go. With the letter G, G, G. Now, sometimes, unusual as it sounds, the letter G is used in certain words and it's silent, like the word laugh, which is spelled L-A-U-G-H. Yeah. Or light, L-I-G-H-T. The G is silent. The letter is G, G, Gee whiz. Look at that, eh? Interesting, isn't it? Here we are with the letter G. Till next time. Bye-bye.